Did you know in Google Spreadsheet you can convert English text into any of these 64 different languages by using one simple formula? And to use the formula, you type equal Google Translate, and Google Translate only requires 3 arguments. The first one being the source text, which is this one here. I'm going to press F4 to make both column and row static, and then comma, and then after that the source language code will be this one here. I'm going to press F4 again to make both column and row static, comma, and the target language code would be HI for Hindi, and close parenthesis and hit enter. And I'm going to accept this autofill so that it'll fill up all the remaining of the rows with the same formula. And there you go. This English word hi is translated into 64 different languages. And you can change this on the fly too. Let's say good evening. And there you go. It translates everything for you. I'm going to put this back to hi. And let's say, for example, if I don't like English as a source languages, I'm going to call it, say, salute. Like that. And I'm going to say this is actually French. And hit enter. And you can see this French salute is converted into multiple different languages as well.